In this video, I will be showing you how to create a QR code in Canva. Let's get started. First, from the Canva homepage, I click on the Create a Design button in the top left corner. I scroll down through the popular template categories to find a good format for our project, and I select Pinterest Pin to open up a clean, blank canvas. Once the editor opens, I click directly on the canvas page to highlight it and bring up the top toolbar. I select the background color tile to open the color palette options. I pick a solid green color first, then switch over to the Gradient tab to create a smooth, dual-tone effect. I open the custom color picker and adjust the hue and brightness sliders until I achieve the exact green gradient background I want. Once that looks good, I close the color customization panel. Next, I move over to the left sidebar menu and click on Apps. In the search bar at the top, I type in QR code and hit enter. From the search results, I select the QR code generator app to open its setup options. You will see several design patterns available, such as blocks, rounded squares, and circles. Now, I head to the URL input field and paste in the website link I want the QR code to direct to. I click Save to generate the code, and then I type in a title under the optional name field. Next, I customize the look of the QR code by selecting my preferred corner style and testing out logo placement options before closing the side panel. Finally, I click on the newly generated QR code on the canvas. I grab the corner handles to resize it bigger so it is easy to scan, and I align it nicely right in the center of the page. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to create QR code in Canva.